This is warehouse user training for a computer user where you are going to log in and print labels. The user needs to be on the computer that's connected to the printer. When goods arrive, you need to identify the goods in the system, print a label, and attach it to the goods. Start off by logging in. If not selected, select your default warehouse. There might only be one for the user. And then click on Create Item. You can select the warehouse that this item will be stored in. Search for all stock codes. If the list is too long, you can type in part of a stock code, click search again, and it will filter the list, make the list shorter. Select the stock code, type in the weight or whatever unit of measure is needed. Make sure that the item is in stock is selected, and also other optional fields set up for your particular warehouse. Click Save and then click Print. PDF file is generated and automatically starts downloading to your computer. If it doesn't automatically start downloading, look in the top right corner under your downloads. You might need to click on Keep. This is not a good example of a label because it stretches over 2 pages. Click on Print and select your Zebra printer that's connected, or your label printer that's connected to your computer. Click on Print again and it will come out of the printer.